Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick how to jump off a 2011 Ford F-150, very popular pickup truck, if not one of the most popular pickup trucks. So let's get right in this video. We're going to open up the driver's door and we're going to show you where the latch is so you can pop the hood. Right here on the side, on the very left hand corner, you're just going to pull it, you're going to hear it click. Clicks, it's right here. Then we're going to go to the front of the vehicle. There's a latch at the very lower edge of the grill. You got to pull it up, reach around, feel for it, and then you get to the latch. You're going to push it to the left with your fingers. This is what the latch looks like. You're going to push it to the left. It's going to let it open. Then you're going to go around. The battery sits on the left hand corner. Very easy to see. Again, you can do the same thing with jumper cables, but here we're going to take the handy dandy O'Reilly Super Start power pack, and you're going to take the positive terminal and you're going to go ahead and put it on the red, just like that. It's going to sit there. Then you're going to come back around with the negative, the ground, and put it on the black. Okay, after that you just go ahead and turn it to on, and if you have the other vehicle, you're going to hook it up to the car, positive and negative, and then you're going to go inside the vehicle and start it up. Starts right up, and then you simply do it the same way. You're going to go ahead and take the ground off. Then you're going to take the positive off. This is a very easy one to jump off. The battery sits right in the front. The terminals are easy to get to. It's not difficult. The most difficult part is just taking your fingers and getting this latch open. So you go to the right. If I said the left, I'm sorry, you're going to push it to the right. So that's how you jump off a 2011 F-150. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're ever in need of a certain video that you're having troubles with or you want to see, put it in the comment section below and I'll try to find that try to find that vehicle and make a video for you. Hope these are helpful, and we'll talk to you all in the next video.